Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to convert a string into a URL, also URL into a string in Shift. Here we are going to declare some variable. Let URL is equals to www.google.com. Here we'll go and put https. Okay, now to create a URL type, we can go ahead and say let URL is equals to, now we are going to use this URL function. Now we have to put parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to pass in the string. Here in this case MURL. Okay, now we converted this URL into a URL data type. Now we want to convert this URL into a string again. We can say let MURL 2 and that equals to URL, which is this one, dot absolute string. Okay, this will return us the absolute string of that URL. Alright,